I hear you're a biking fan, Doc, so here's the last one before we meet tomorrow for assessment one. Anyway, this is a song about motorbikes. Not been able to play this for ages, but let's give it a try. Said Red Molly to James, what a fine motorbike. A girl could feel special on such light. Said James to Red Molly, I'll take my hat up to you, 'cause it's a Vincent Black Lightning Circa 1952. Seen you round the cafes, girl, seen you round the scene. Red hair and black leather, you're my favorite girl to scheme. And he pulled her up behind and down to Box Hill, let it ride. Said James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand, but I gotta tell you now that I'm a desperate man. Fought with the law since I was just 17, and I've robbed many a man for this Vincent machine. I'm 21 now, I won't make 22. But I don't mind dying for the love of you, and if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, shouted Sergeant McRae, 'cause they've taken young James for armed robbery. Shotgun hit his chest, there's nothing much inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. And she got to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of rope and running out of breath, but he smiled to see her cry and gave her his Vincent to ride. Said James to sweet Red Molly, there's nothing in this world beats a Vincent 52 and a red-headed girl. No Nortons, no Indians, and no Greaves they won't do, 'cause they haven't got the soul of a Vincent 52. He reached with his hand, he slipped her the keys, and he said, sweet babe, I got no more use for these. I see angels riding aerials in leather and in chrome, and they're coming down from heaven, and they're coming to take me home. Then he kissed her once and died, but he gave her this Vincent Black Lightning to ride. See you tomorrow. I can't express my thanks.